So I've just done a reel about a poor lady that came to see me today with base of thumb arthritis, and I just wanted to show you what the options were really. This month's Journal of Hand Surgery had a fantastic, the whole journal was pretty much devoted to base of thumb arthritis. So I've updated all my ebooks and information on my website, all with the latest research. But I just wanted to show you what the options were really. This is the teeny tiniest little joint replacement. So it's made up of a cup which is 9 millimeters wide, and it's got this very gritty back to it. This is the ELiS joint replacement from Vesnoska, which is a Czech firm, and ELiS is a shortening of the chap that invented it, Dr. Trtík, and it's his daughter's name, Elishka, and it's a shortening of that. So anyway, that's why it's called the ELiS. There are other ones out there too, called the Touch and the Maya, 3 fantastic dual mobilities. So you have one mobility in here with the metal head on a plastic liner, and then that plastic liner articulates with the metal shell. So you have 2 mobilities, as we call it, a dual mobility. And what that means is that you really can't dislocate it. It's incredibly difficult to dislocate the joint when it's actually in situ, in the thumb. And where do we put it? Well, this is a hand I prepared earlier, and we put it in this bone, just down there. So this is the metacarpal in there, and we stick it up inside the metacarpal, and the cup we pop inside the trapezium. Now this is the trapezium bone down here, metacarpal, trapezium, and you can feel that at the base of your thumb down here, where the base of your thumb is. Okay, so this is the metacarpal, and then just underneath the metacarpal is the trapezium, and that's what that goes into. Okay, fantastic results. I absolutely love it. I know lots of my friends do. It's an option. It's not the only option. Trapeziectomy is fantastic. I've done a few of those recently for patients that couldn't have CMC joint replacements like the ELiS. It just takes a little bit longer to get over, but certainly the evidence is equivocal for both. You get over an ELiS or a Maya or a Touch, a dual mobility joint replacement, more quickly, but at 12 months the results are pretty similar. So it's good. It's what I would have. It's what I offer my patients. In fact, I've got a trapeziectomy coming up in a few weeks' time, so it's still a very good operation. Just thought I'd give you a little insight.